好，今日教你哋畫 perspective。咁咧透視。咁咧我哋用最簡單開始。透視有分好多種，有 1 point、2 point、3 point、4 point、5 point 咁樣嘅。咁正常嚟講咧，我哋學咗 1 point 先，因為 1 point 最簡單。呢個就係 1 point perspective 啦。咁點解佢叫 1 point 咧？因為 every single diagonal line 咧 is come from the same vanishing point。所以我哋首先咧要揾咗個 vanishing point 出嚟先。我哋可以首先咧 we draw a horizon line first。Okay, maybe in the middle or a little bit lower on the paper, like this. Okay, every single line we draw have to be like 細力啲 okay, because we need to erase. Some of the line we need to erase, so 我哋細力啲。And then we draw a dot or like a cross in the middle of the line. Okay, this is where's the vanishing point is. So 呢個就係我哋嘅 vanishing point。我哋所有線都係喺呢度開始畫上去。咁但係咧，除咗斜線 every diagonal line is come from this point。And then 我哋開始畫咧，我哋就可以首先咧畫咗。當我而家畫呢個啦，當我而家畫呢個啦。我哋首先標咗個地下先 ，we build the row first。我哋首先呢度間兩條斜嘅線出嚟，呢度OK， 咁我哋就 row 啦，呢條就係咪？跟住之後，我哋可以條 row 咧有啲 sidewalk 係咪？我哋擺翻個 sidewalk 落去。OK， 斜地。So， 我哋可以 pick how thick the sidewalk is。呢個 figures。OK， 我 pick 咗咁闊就係咁闊啦。OK， 跟住咧，我哋 build a building on the sidewalk。我哋首先咧就畫咗個 rectangle，normal rectangle。OK，we just draw a normal rectangle。OK，use the ruler。OK，and then 呢啲線go over 咗你個 rectangle 咧，你可以拆咗佢 ，erase those line。OK，and then 我哋嗱有個 normal 嘅平面 rectangle 位 2D rectangle。A normal rectangle. So how to make it into 3D? As I said, the vanishing point. Draw the diagonal line to this point, to this 2 point. 我哋首先咧 from this diagonal line, point your ruler to the top corner of your rectangle. Draw it really light, okay? 細力啲畫 and then the same angle 一樣。And then 嗱，你會 form 咗個咁嘅嘢。And then how thick your building will be. Then you draw how thick it is. 我哋 draw another straight line in between the diagonal line. Okay, this. And then erase this line. So erase 埋呢個 line 啦，erase 埋 some line in between 嗰個 building 啦。And then we start the first building， 係咪 ？OK，and then we how to build a city like this。我哋咧就話好多個 rectangle 係咪？跟住 another rectangle。So 嗱 this building what behind this building 有啲 cover 咗係咪 ？cover 咗 bit of this building。So 我哋畫個 rectangle 嘅時候咧 maybe only a little bit。You can only see a little bit of the front of this rectangle 係咪？呢個 rectangle 細少少嘅啫。跟住我哋再畫由呢個 vanishing point 指去最頂嗰個 building 嘅最頂個 point。And then 呢度一樣 same 啦。所以我哋每一條線每一條牙大咁樣啦都 come from 呢個 vanishing point。跟住之後我哋再畫條直線。OK，I found another building behind this building 係咪 ？And then 如果我哋要 form 一個 building 喺前面嘅 we need to form another building in front of it. So we start from here. OK， 我哋喺前面畫一個 rectangle 係咪 ？or a square whatever you want. OK， 我哋 form 咗呢個啦，跟住拆咗啲唔要嘅先。嗱屎 I have to erase many line 係咪 ？So 我哋呢度畫啦，所以呢個就呢條線又係呢個有呢個 angle top this two angle corner, these two corner of the rectangle, and then start from this here, and then same 一樣啦。Okay, now I got 3 building 係咪？咁 there's a window or a door 喺個 building 上邊㗎嘛係咪 ？Window 咁點樣畫咧？嗱，即係你見到啦 ，window 一樣直線同埋斜線，所有嘅 diagonal line is come from the same point。So 我哋要畫嘅咧，就係首先畫咗條斜線先。So pick how large your window is， 畫2條 diagonal line come from this point。OK， we use ruler to 間翻呢條線出嚟啦。OK， 嗱咁我畫咗呢個，跟住之後我將呢2條線 connect 埋一齊，用 straight line， 用 vertical line to connect them together。OK，see I got the window and then there's different window 係咪？咁我哋可以畫多幾條線喺度啦，寫條直線啦，就變相嗱咁你有啲窗啊 ，there's some window， so you repeat this process from here。OK， 我哋 repeat 呢個 process and then draw all the window on the building。OK， 繼續。咁跟住咧嗱 ，and then we 咁樣啦。OK，we remember 啦 ，remember 所有 horizon line and vertical line, we don't need to point at this point. Okay, we don't need to use this point. We just draw a horizon and vertically. Okay, but every diagonal line right here, we need to collect this point to this point. Okay, and then we try to make this. Okay， 跟住我哋就試下幫我畫一張呢啲咁樣嘅 building 嘅畫出嚟，最好就有窗，唔一定要有樹。At least I can see a row and some building. Okay, try to draw this.